campers were having a fun time with experiments in the lab cabin.
We all do an experiment?
Sure, why not?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thanks. Safety first. Ooh, this is so
Campers,
cool.
it is dangerous to play with fire. Remember that if you burn your hand, it is a chemical change.
Burn! Oh my God, it's burning! Oh, it hurts!
Hold you.
The campers are learning about decomposed animals.
These are just decomposed animals. It is a chemical change because once they decompose, it is permanent.
Ooh, interesting.
That's pretty cool. I never knew that.
Fruits also undergo a type of chemical change. When they become ripe, it is permanent and will not go back to their original.
Campers were roasting marshmallows.
Yes.
Can I have one? Campers, remember that this is also a chemical change. Since when you cook food, you can't uncook it. Thus, it is irreversible.
Due to thunderstorms, the electricity went out in the main cabin.
Oh no! Don't worry, we can burn coal to produce light and heat.
That's much better.
Remember, this is also another form of chemical change.
Ooh, that's great.
In short, chemical changes in matter is a change which is permanent.